Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about Redstone Federal Credit Union. They have a $100 checking account bonus. It is for a limited number of states, so I want to also share an additional bonus $100 offer if you are not in one of the states. So we're going to go over the states in a couple minutes. This is the third video in a little series I have called Get Paid to Shop. There's no direct deposit involved with this, so that is a really cool thing. Literally, you get paid to shop. What is cooler than that? Everything's gotten so much more expensive shopping. So, quick disclaimer, I am a customer of the company and product mentioned in this video. I am not affiliated. I am not endorsed by Redstone Federal Credit Union. This is my personal review, my personal thoughts on this. It is for informational purposes only. All right, so normally I would ask you, when was the last time your bank paid you to open an account with them? But now I'm not going to ask that. I'm just going to ask you, when was the last time your bank paid you to shop? Shopping's gotten so much more expensive. So when was the last time you got paid to shop? So this is the third in a little series of videos called Get Paid to Shop. And who doesn't like getting paid to shop? In fact, so I'm a high school math teacher, and I have a $2 million challenge for the year 2022. What that means is I want to help at least 1,000 people get at least $2,000 each from the bonuses in my videos in 2022. What other channel besides Bank Account Bonus Central here wants to help at least 1,000 people get at least $2,000? And last time I checked, 1,000 times 2,000 is $2 million. So I don't have that much money to share, but the banks, they are more than happy to share that much money in getting new customers. All right, so moving along, the availability is in these different states. The requirements are open a checking account. All you got to do is make 5 debit card transactions. You're getting paid to shop $100. That's awesome. You need to access the online banking once. Here's the states. So this is good for Alabama, Tennessee, Georgia, Mississippi, Missouri, Arkansas, Indiana, Kentucky, Illinois, Ohio, Michigan with my buddy RJ, Pennsylvania, Florida, North Carolina, West Virginia, and Virginia. So if you are in one of those states, you can collect $100 to make 5 debit card transactions and hit the online online banking once. If you are not eligible, I have put in the chapters into the video, so you can go ahead and skip ahead to the chapter about the additional bonus $100 offer, and that is a nationwide offer that is good for everybody in the United States. All right, so in order to be a member in different credit unions such as Redstone, they have either eligibility in regards to where you live, work, worship, or if you are a member of a group. So one of the groups that allows you to open an account with them nationwide, you only get the bonus if you're in one of the mentioned states before, is Financial Fitness Association. This is a screenshot from last year's video about this, where you were able to open it online. This year they made it a little bit different for whatever reason, but it's the Financial Fitness Association. And basically, I recommend 2 different organizations to gain access to different credit unions. I recommend Financial Fitness Association. This gets you into Redstone. The other one is Surfrider. Surfrider is a really cool organization to where it's all about cleaning beaches. And who wants dirty beaches? Like nobody, because dirty beaches are kind of gross. But anyway, so it's 1-year membership for $8. I did join this organization last year so I can get into Redstone and collect their bonus from last year. For a disclosure, they actually did not ask for any verification if I was a member when I did sign up. So take that as you will. But I actually did, for the sake of my conscience, I did pay the $8 to the Financial Fitness Association. All right, moving along. So here are the requirements. This is straight from the website. You must not have had a account within 24 months. So if you've done this before, you've shut down your account, set a timer. It's easy to do, like on your cell phone. My cell phone, the calendar on there is a running total for different stuff, different accounts I need to open or close. So whenever I open an account and I plan on closing it because the bank's going to pay me to close it, if I need to wait 6 months or 24 months, Google, it's 24 months and a week from today. So I set a reminder on my phone. Within 30 days, you need to make 5 point of sale transactions using a debit card, and ATM withdrawals do not count. And then within the first 30 days, you need to set up and access the online banking at least one time. Here is all the different additional terms and conditions. This is good all the way until September 29, 2022. So definitely want to take advantage of it while there is time. Here's another thing they say about it. Celebrate the friendships, $100 each. Anybody who is in this game of collecting bank bonuses, I definitely do consider a friend. So that is a really cool way where basically one hand washes the other. We both benefit from this. In order to open the account, it's a bit different, as I mentioned before, than what they had last year. Last year, you were able to open the account online. I don't know why they changed it, but 3 different options to open this up. You can either open it up on using the Redstone Live app with a video chat. That's probably the easiest way, is just to sit on your couch or whatever and do a chat with the people so you can open up your account. Visit a branch in person. You can only do online banking if you're an existing member only. No idea why they changed that. And then within 30 days, access online banking. Use your debit card 5 times. You get $100. That is awesome. So another thing I want to mention is how fast do they pay? When do I get my $100? It's within 60 days of account opening. So that's pretty cool. No later than November 28, 2022. So they pay out fairly quickly. You got 30 days to get the online checking and make the purchases. And then in regards to monthly maintenance fees, I hate paying maintenance fees to these different banks. So with all these, you'll notice here 4 or more transactions, 4 or more transactions. And then there's no fees for anybody 24 years or younger. So what I do is I go to my Amazon account and I reload my Amazon gift card. The minimum you can do is 50 cents. I hit it for 51 cents. So you can see it's just something I do at the beginning of every month. Redstone, I don't want to pay your fees. No offense, I love what y'all have to offer, but I don't like your fees. So I hit 51 cents, 51 cent, 51 cent, 51 cent, and no fees. Easy peasy. Spending money on Amazon anyways. So, all right. So you can also do credit card funding on this. Normally I go through the whole thing of how you apply for it, but since it's on the app or whatever, it's different this time around. I can't do that, to be honest. You can use your credit card to fund up to $530. That's an easy and awesome way to get extra credit card points, hotel points, cash back. So personally, I have never had any issues using a Chase credit card. I typically use the Chase Freedom Unlimited or the Ink Unlimited, get 1.5% back. What you need to do is call Chase or wherever your credit company is and make sure your cash advance limit is set as low as possible. Make sure it's less than what you're trying to fund. So if you want to try to fund $530, make sure it is as low as you can get it to go, like $1 or $100 or whatever. So that way they cannot charge you a cash advance fee, which I'm not about paying fees. I'm about collecting bonuses. All right, so this is my referral code. You can write it down for your reference when it's asked for. I also have it in the description box down below. Make sure to use the code on account of this is a referral offer only. So use the code and you'll collect the $100 for doing 5 debit card transactions. You're getting paid to shop, which is what this video is all about. All right, so this is the second $100 nationwide offer. I made mention this in a previous video where they only offered $50. This is Discover Card. I love Discover Card. Why? Because they pay me to shop. So this goes along with the pay to shop theme. So you tell your friends about Discover Card through email, Facebook, or Twitter, or YouTube. Your friend joins. You got to make one purchase in the first 3 months. Boom, we both get $100. So that is awesome. Getting paid to shop. As far as I know, there's no minimal transaction there, but I'm going to show you that you want to switch to Discover Card to make some of your different transactions. If you sign up for Discover Card online without a referral, you get a zero, nothing. But if you use my referral link, you get $100. So that's on top of the $750 you can get your first year in cash back. So my personal threshold for getting a new credit card is $500. I need to get paid at least $500 from the bank to consider getting their card. So this is an up to an $850 opportunity, and I'm going to show you how that math works. All right, so typically your first year cash back for Discover Card, they have these 5% categories. Well, it's not just your first year, but your first year, your 5% doubles, it turns to 10%. Right now, we're in quarter number 3, which is a really, really, really awesome category I love. It's restaurants and PayPal. So any restaurant you're going to be hitting, use your Discover Card. If it's your first year, you get 5% back, which turns to 10% back, and then PayPal. This works on up to $1,500 in purchases. So 10% of $1,500 is $150 per quarter you can get, which is awesome. This is for 365 days. So if you sign up with this for this account, and you have 365 days. So this started at the beginning of January or July, which is quarter 3. Then I'll show you in a second. Next slide, I believe. So my family, we buy groceries at Walmart, and we do the online groceries. So that they accept PayPal on that. So we get money back just for buying groceries through Walmart. Home Depot, we did some home improvement and have some more to do. They take PayPal as well. So you can get 5 to 10% back on home improvement. Money you're going to spend. Why pay full price? There's no reason to pay full price for anything. You don't need to change what you buy, just how you pay for it, and you get 10% back your first year. All right, so let's look at the $750. So if you max out right here, quarter 3, you get $150. So, but you didn't sign up at the very beginning of it, so you got time here. So you have the rest of quarter 3 to get $150. You got all of quarter 4, which is Amazon and digital wallets. So anything you buy with Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, Garmin Pay. I don't know if there's any other ones, but you get $150 here. I have no idea what the categories are going to be for next year, but you have quarter 1, you max that out. Grocery stores are not hard to max out because groceries have gotten expensive. That would be $150 here. Gas stations and Target, which was the last quarter, get $150 here, and you're still going to have some time in whatever quarter 3 is next year. So if you spend $1,500 there, you get another $150. 5 times 150 equals $750. Plus the $100 for signing up. That's $850 you get paid to shop with Discover. Love Discover Card. So normally they offer $50 referral bonus, and I mentioned that in a previous video, but now it's $100. I have no idea why this one card got targeted, my other one didn't. Not sure how long it's going to last. I definitely would take advantage of it. Referral link for the $100 Discover bonus is in the description box down below. All right, next thing. Today's question, I often feel lost in life. Do you have any advice? So I'm a high school math teacher. I hear questions like this all the time. And yes, I would like to share this with anybody who cares to listen. So today's scripture, the Bible is full of wisdom for life. And here's one of my favorite things I go to when I feel lost and confused in life. It says, trust in the Lord with all your heart. Don't trust in yourself. Don't depend on your own understanding. Oftentimes, we make decisions foolishly based upon our own emotions and what we feel is right. If we seek the Lord's will, we seek His will in all that we do. God does have a plan and a purpose for us, but we have to know Him well enough to be able to hear His voice. It says, Jesus said, my sheep know my voice. And if you love God, you're going to obey what He has for us to do. Ultimately, God has 2 rules for us. Number 1, love Him. Number 2, love each other. If we were to follow those 2 rules, this world would have so few problems. If we seek His will and all we do, He's going to show us which paths to take. So ultimately, one thing we don't want in life is we don't want to live a life of regret. I remember reading this before Christ was my Lord and Savior in my life. And, just the thought of having a God who cares about me, that is there and cares about the decisions I make and stuff I'm going through. In no way am I trying to say that, you're not going to have difficulties. You are going to have difficulties in this life. That's just a given. But you don't have to go through difficult situations alone. So this is just one thing I want to share with everybody. It's been said that you've never seen a U-Haul following a hearse. There's nothing you can take with you. Bank bonuses are cool. They're fun. But ultimately, the only thing that you can take with you to heaven is the people you invite. So I want to invite as many people who are willing to listen to this, You don't have to go through life alone. God, since giving my life to Christ, He has given me a peace, a purpose, a passion, a strength I've never had. I've never been able to get in any other place. So I just want to encourage whoever's listening to this. So with that, let's wrap this up. Comments, they still off on my videos, but I can be reached. If you have any questions at all about banks, bank bonuses, and stuff like that, churningadventures@gmail.com is how to reach me. And we are looking at the last thing I'm going to ask you to do is please like, share, and subscribe with the bell notifications. I am thankfully making more videos on a more frequent basis now after taking some time to get my life and my priorities in order. And with that, look forward to seeing you tomorrow, or not tomorrow, but soon. Peace, and may the Lord bless you.